Hello friends, my name is Victor and I greet you on my channel. Today I will show you the process of building a rack for a drill shown in the past video. First I made a simple drawing of a base part made of thick plywood. Then I made this part with an electric jigsaw. I wanted to make a drill stand so that you could easily do it yourself without using welding. It seemed to me that the base part was not strong enough, so I made one more same detail and glued them with glue. So the glue is dry and I can start making the fastener to the base. I have two angles 50 mm wide and about 8 mm in diameter. In the base part and corners I drilled 8 mm holes. In the base part I need to make a 90-degree hole to the surface as accurately as possible. If you don't have a drilling machine yet, you can do it with a wide angle as I showed you in the video. The accuracy of the hole is quite sufficient for this purpose. I installed the supports on both sides of the angle grinder so that the angle grinder would have a more accurate fixation in place. I also made grooves for fastening clamps. This also contributes to a more accurate fixation of the angle grinder. I rounded the edges of the corners. This is necessary for easier movement of a base part around the axis. Now I can start making the base of the machine. I made it from a thick chipboard. Such a solid base will ensure the mobility of all installed parts and as a consequence the accuracy of the cut. Of course, you don't need to round off the corners of a platform. This does not affect the quality of the entire product. As the legs, I used 4 rectangles 5 by 5 centimeters. I glued them all with the same glue. And the size of the platform 38 by 50 centimeters. The platform is ready and I proceed to install the axis and assemble the entire mechanism. It's easy. You have to tighten the nut not much and not weakly. Then twist the second nut to prevent spontaneous unscrewing of the nuts. I bought very good clamps for fixing the angle grinder. They were strong clamps for fixing the critical parts. To return the angle grinder to a non-working position, you can use such a return mechanism consisting of a single spring and 2 fasteners. For me, the angle of cutting is 90 degrees, so I made this choice. You can come up with your own design, which allows you to cut parts with different angles. This concludes my video. If you think this video is useful, please click on like. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye!